Hi guys, today we compare Honor Magic 6 Pro versus OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro launched on June 2024. The body dimensions, height, width and thickness is same and the weight of Honor Magic 6 Pro is 225 gram and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is 212 gram and the build Honor Magic 6 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same in both devices and the resolution Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1280 by 2800 means 1.5K and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 1264 by 2780 pixels mean 1.5K screen resolution and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 453 ppi density. The OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 450 ppi density. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 191.6% screen to body ratio and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 90.9% screen to body ratio. The aspect ratio Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 90.5 by 9 and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro 20 by 9 aspect ratio. Let's talk about the refresh rate of these devices. The Honor Magic 6 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with nano crystal shield and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection and the both devices come with dual SIM, nano SIM card and dual standby. No headphone jack in both devices. Let's go to the CPU. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the same OnePlus Ace 3 comes with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU. The chipset is same in both devices, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm and the GPU it's comes with Adreno 750 in both devices. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Android 14 Magic OS 8 operating system. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system and the benchmark score. The Honor Magic 6 Pro got 2 million points and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro got 2.3 million benchmark score. The camera setup, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with the triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide with 1-inch sensor and a 180 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and a 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash HDR panorama and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro with dual LED flash HDR panorama and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with single camera selfie, 50 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometric sensor and it records 4K 30 fps video. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera and it records 1080p 30 fps video record. The memory setup, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage, OnePlus Ace 3 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in both devices. The common and the features, Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, Type-C, 3.2, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speaker, USB 4.0, wireless charging, IP68, dust and water resistant, Face ID, unlocking and SOS via satellite messages and calls. And the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 2.0, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust and water resistant. The battery backup, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro comes with 6100 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. It cannot support wireless charging. And the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery and 80 watt fast charging and it supports 66 watt wireless charging. The price of Honor Magic 6 Pro is $995 and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is $500. The results The Honor Magic 6 Pro got 22 points and the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro got 19 points.